Inspired by Chinese legend of a love story, The Butterfly Lovers, K68 has an ultra-thin design and encircling light string with 58 LEDs. To offer more configuration options, gathering and cherry RGB mechanical switches are provided. Besides, double-shot low-bow keycaps are attached. 3 connection modes are available. High compatibility Bluetooth supports connecting to 3 devices at the same time. 2.4G can reach up to a polling rate of 1000 Hz. Fully functional driver enables you to set macros, remap keys, and customize RGB lighting effects. You can also do this on Mac system. To ensure the best using experience, special keys are debugged repeatedly and customized silicon pad is fitted at the bottom. Moreover, music rhythm also brings a better visual experience. KEMOVE, keep motivated.